Good morning, students. Welcome to you all in chemistry class. Next question. A white colored powder is used by doctors for fractured bone. Write the chemical name and the formula of it. Yes, Khushi, roll number 36.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, the name of the substance is plaster of Paris और उसका chemical formula होता है.
It's plaster of Paris, but its chemical name is calcium sulfate.
CaSO4.half H2O उसका chemical formula होता है.
Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Name of the compound and the formula is CaSO4 half H2O. Right, Khushi? Next is 3 acidic solution A, B and C have pH 0, 3 and 5 respectively. Which solution has highest concentration of hydrogen ion and which solution has the lowest concentration of hydrogen ion? Which solution has highest concentration of H positive ion and which solution has the lowest concentration of H positive ion? Yes, Khushi Shabra.
Solution A has the highest concentration of H positive ions and solution C has the lowest concentration of H positive ions.
Yes, Khushi Shabra.
Solution A has the highest concentration of H positive ions and solution C has the lowest concentration of H positive ions.
Yes. Solution with pH 0. pH 0 means solution A has the highest concentration of H positive ion. And the solution, that is solution C with pH 5 has the lowest concentration of H positive ion. pH is inversely proportional to H positive ion concentration. Next is, name the product formed when sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated and write the equation of the reaction involved. Product formed when sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated. Yes, Srishti Malhotra.
When sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide is formed. The equation is 2.
लिखेंगे sodium carbonate, then carbon dioxide and water. Next, write the chemical equation. Yes, Srishti.
2NaHCO3 when heated gives Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2.
Very good, Srishti. 2NaHCO3, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. On heating, give Na2CO3 sodium carbonate plus H2O water plus CO2 carbon dioxide. Next is, what do you mean by hydrated salt? Give 2 examples of hydrated salt which are white and write their chemical formula. Yes, Moksh Taneja.
The term hydrated salt means the solution, the salts which have water in them. Examples of hydrated salts are
The salt that contains water of crystallization. Salt that contains water of crystallization is known as hydrated salt. Second part है, give two example of hydrated salt which are white and write their formula. Yes, Moksha?
Na2 10H2O and CaSO4 2H2O.
First example, washing soda, sodium carbonate decahydrate. Hydrated salt है white color का. Then gypsum, calcium sulfate dihydrate, white hydrated salt. Next is 2 milliliter of sodium hydroxide NaOH solution is added to a few pieces of granulated zinc metal taken in a test tube. A gas evolves which is bubbled through the soap solution before testing. Write the equation of chemical reaction involved and the test to detect the gas. Name the gas which will be evolved when the same metal, that is zinc metal, reacts with dilute solution of strong acid. Zinc plus sodium hydroxide. फर्स्ट में क्या इक्वेशन लिखनी है? जिंक प्लस सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. Zinc Zn plus sodium hydroxide NaOH react to form sodium zincate Na2 ZnO2, sodium zincate. प्लस H2 हाइड्रोजन गैस. बैलेंस करें तो यहाँ पे 2 NaOH हो जाएगा. राइट द इक्वेशन ऑफ द रिएक्शन. ओके, हमने इक्वेशन लिख दी. नेक्स्ट क्या लिखे? टेस्ट टू डिटेक्ट द गैस. हाइड्रोजन गैस बर्न्स विद पॉप साउंड. नेक्स्ट है नेम द गैस इवॉल्व व्हेन सेम मेटल मींस जिंक मेटल react with dilute solution of strong acid. हम HCl के साथ रिएक्शन लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, it give rise to zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. Name the gas evolved. आंसर क्या होगा? हाइड्रोजन गैस. नोट कर लीजिए बेटे आंसर. Next is the pH of salt used to make tasty and crispy pakora is more than 7. Identify the salt and write the chemical equation for its formation. Yes, Bhumi.
Ma'am, the pH of salt, the salt that is used to make tasty and crispy pakoras are baking powder,
Baking soda.
which is baking soda, and the
NaHCO3 is chemical
and
name.
Yes, ma'am. Chemical equation NaHCO3 plus H positive tartaric acid gives out CO2 plus H2O plus sodium salt of acid, that is baking powder.
Bhumi, write the chemical equation for its formation. Formation of baking soda. Chemical equation for the preparation of baking soda.
Okay, ma'am.
That is by Solvay process. NaCl
plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 gives out NH4Cl plus NaHCO3.
Okay, good. Next is, yes, सुहाना बिंद्रा, रीड कीजिए बेटा.
A compound X is a constituent of baking powder. It is used as an antacid. When X is heated, it gives out a Y which, when passed through lime water, turns it milky, and salt Z is formed, which is main constituent of washing powder. Identify X, Y, and Z. Write balanced chemical equations for the reactions involved.
कंपाउंड X इसका कंपोनेंट है बेकिंग पाउडर. यू ऑल नो कि बेकिंग पाउडर में कौन से कंपोनेंट होते हैं? बेकिंग सोडा, दैट इज सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट, साथ में क्या होता है इसमें? टार्टरिक एसिड. ठीक है, इट इज यूज्ड एज एंटासिड्स. अब टार्टरिक एसिड तो एंटासिड्स नहीं है, इसमें कौन सा सब्सटेंस है, कौन सा कंपोनेंट है जो एज एंटासिड वर्क कर रहा है?
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
So X is baking soda. बेकिंग सोडा का केमिकल नेम?
NaHCO3.
सोडियम हाइड्रोजन
Carbonate.
कार्बोनेट. वेरी गुड. X is heated. X is heated means सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट. तो जब हम हीट करते हैं, it gives out which is passed through lime water and turns milky. अब आपको पता है कौन सी गैस लाइम वाटर को मिल्की करती है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड.
CO2.
जब
कार्बन
सोडियम हाइड्रोजन
डाइऑक्साइड.
कार्बोनेट को हम हीट करेंगे तो क्या बनेगा? सोडियम कार्बोनेट प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस H2. तो ये तो हो गया X और ये हो गया गैस Y. नेक्स्ट लिखा सॉल्ट Z is formed which is the main component of washing powder. What is washing powder? It is a sodium carbonate decahydrate. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Z. Identify X, Y and Z. X हो गया बेकिंग सोडा, Y कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड and Z सोडियम कार्बोनेट. और ये होगी इक्वेशन. नेक्स्ट इज a solution of a substance X is used for testing carbon dioxide. Identify X and what will be its reaction with carbon dioxide and write the balanced chemical equation for the reaction. Yes, Dilpreet Kaur.
X is lime water. X is lime water. Due to the formation of calcium carbonate, lime water turns milky when carbon dioxide gas is passed through it. The balance equation for the reaction is CaOH2 plus CO2, which gives CaCO3 plus H2O.
Very good. A solution of substance X is used for testing carbon dioxide. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को टेस्ट करने के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? लाइम वाटर. आइडेंटिफाई द X means X is equal to calcium hydroxide. What will be its reaction with carbon dioxide? CaOH twice calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide give rise to calcium carbonate CaCO3 plus H2O. Equation balanced है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is complete the given reaction. Identify A, B and C in the given reaction. First reaction देखिए क्या लिखा है? HNO3 plus NaOH give rise to A plus H2O. अब आपने बताना है कि यहाँ पे A क्या है.
मैम ए यहाँ सोडियम नाइट्रेट.
राइट. एक यहाँ पे क्या है, सोडियम नाइट्रेट, NaNO3. गुड. एंड द नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन, B plus calcium hydroxide give rise to calcium sulfate plus water. B is H2SO4 and C, HCl plus C give rise to KCl plus H2O.
Potassium. C is potassium.
No, it's potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide plus HCl give rise to KCl plus H2O. Right, Riya?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the chemical name and the formula of soda ash, blue vitriol and baking soda? Yes, soda ash is
Soda ash is anhydrous sodium carbonate and its chemical formula is Na2CO3.
very good. It's anhydrous sodium carbonate and its formula Na2CO3. And what is blue vitriol?
Copper sulfate
Is copper
crystals.
sulfate.
CuSO4 5H2
5H2O.
copper sulfate crystals. Then baking soda,
Sodium hydrogen
Sodium
carbonate.
hydrogen
Sodium
carbonate.
hydrogen carbonate.
NaHCO3.
NaHCO3.
NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Write the balanced chemical equation for the reaction of HCl with zinc metal, with NaOH, and with sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Yes, Arshpreet, roll number 27.
Zn plus HCl give rise to
Zn plus HCl give rise to
Zn
dilute form, ZnCl2
H2 plus H2.
plus H2. बैलेंस कीजिए बेटा इक्वेशन को.
2HCl.
2HCl. Good. Next equation, Riya, आप बताएंगे बेटा.
Ma'am, HCl plus NaOH
HCl dilute form
plus
plus NaOH,
NaOH
right?
give rise to NaCl plus H2O.
NaCl plus H2. Very good, Riya. Equation balance है Riya ये?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 2HCl.
Check कीजिए बेटा.
Ma'am, balanced है.
Next, Gurnoor Kaur.
Ma'am, Na2CO3 plus 2CH plus 2HCl give rise to Na2NaCl plus
It give rise to NaCl, right?
plus H2O plus CO2.
Equation is balanced.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is name the product obtained in chloralkali process. Name the gases liberated at anode and cathode respectively, and name the solution used as a raw material in this process. Yes, Harsh Clay.
Ma'am, the products obtained are sodium hydroxide, chlorine, and hydrogen gas. On anode, chlorine gas is obtained, and on cathode, the hydrogen gas is obtained. And the solution which is used as raw material is brine.
What is brine?
Brine is sodium chloride
Brine is aqueous solution
aqua
of sodium
of
chloride.
sodium chloride.
Very good, Harsh Clay. Next is write the balanced chemical equation when chlorine is passed through dry slake line. When sodium bicarbonate react with dilute hydrochloric acid and sodium bicarbonate is heated. आपने क्या लिखना है? Balanced chemical equations. First is chlorine is passed through slake line. Yes, Mandeep, roll number 31.
CaOH bracket OH2
Calcium
plus
hydroxide
Cl2 give rise
plus Cl2
Plus
give rise to
CaOCl2
CaOCl2. What
plus
is
H2O
CaOCl2? Calcium oxychloride.
plus H2O.
Very good. Equation balanced है Mandeep?
Yes, ma'am. Balanced.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Balanced.
Next equation is Moksha Taneja ji.
Well, NaHCO3 plus HCl
NaHCO3 sodium hydrogen carbonate plus HCl give rise to
NaCl aqueous plus H2O liquid plus CO2 gas.
balance कीजिए equation को.
It is already balanced.
Very good. Next is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is heated. Yes, Rishika. Rishika, roll number 42.
NaHCO3, when heated, it gives rise to Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O.
Equation को बैलेंस करने के लिए 2 NaHCO3. Very good, Rishika. Next is write the balanced chemical equation of blue crystal of copper sulfates are heated. Second, chlorine gas is passed through dry slake line. Carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water. NaH solution is heated with zinc granules. First is heating of copper sulfate crystals. Khushi Shabda.
CuSO4.5H2O when heated gives rise to CuSO4
5H2O. Blue color crystals of copper sulfate on heating give
CuSO4 plus 5H2O.
white color. ये blue color. Next is chlorine gas passed through dry slake line. Yes, Srishti.
Ma'am, Cl2 plus CaOH twice gives rise to calcium oxychloride CaOCl2 plus H2O.
सृष्टि इक्वेशन को बैलेंस कीजिए.
Ma'am, it's already balanced.
Good. Then the third, carbon dioxide is passed through lime water. Carbon dioxide is passed through lime water. Mukul.
CO2
Yes.
plus CaOH twice give rise to calcium carbonate, which is CaCO3 plus H2O.
Next, sodium hydroxide with zinc.
NaOH plus Zn give rise to ZnOH twice plus Na.
Sodium zincate plus hydrogen. Sodium zincate plus hydrogen. What is the chemical name of washing soda? How is it obtained from sodium chloride? And why it is a basic salt? Yes, Suhana Bindra.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the chemical name of washing soda?
Sodium carbonate, ma'am.
Srishti Malhotra.
Ma'am,
What is
chemical
the
name is
chemical
sodium
name of washing soda? Srishti.
chemical name is sodium carbonate decahydrate.
Sodium carbonate decahydrate, very good. And its formation from sodium chloride, NaCl. There are
Ma'am,
three
carbon
steps.
dioxide.
NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus ammonia, NH3.
NH3Cl plus
NaCl
NaHCl.
plus H2O plus CO2 plus ammonia give rise to ammonium chloride plus sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now sodium hydrogen carbonate on heating give sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide plus H2O. And the third step, it gives sodium carbonate decahydrate. Why is it known as a basic salt?
Washing soda is called basic salt because it is formed from a strong base NaOH and a weak acid H2CO3.
Very good. NaOH, strong base, and carbonic acid is a weak acid. Next is, a salt is produced by reaction between an acid and base. Write down the acid and base from which the given salts are formed. And which of the above salt has pH less than 7? Acid and base present in sodium sulfate. Yes, Bhumi.
Ma'am, sodium hydroxide and sulfuric acid that forms it is made up of sodium hydroxide and sulfuric acid.
Both are strong.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, and HCl.
Ammonium HCl.
Then KOH and HNO3. Nitric acid. Then NaOH and HCl. Which of the given salt has pH less than 7?